Alright, if your toilet doesn't flush and the handle is limp, not doing anything, take the lid off and look in the back of it. This is a newer toilet, but the operation is pretty much the same across this one and older toilets. Basically, if you have a limp handle, normally it's a metal handle, now that we get all these plastic toilets, something between this arm right here and, in this case, this chain right here is broken. As you can see, this is not connected. When you push down on this handle, lever goes up, it's connected to the chain, and it pulls the flapper up like that, and then it settles back down as the water falls. Obviously you would have water in the back of your toilet. I'm doing some other work on it right now, but just to show you, take a look. That's the first step. Limp handle, take the lid off. Is this arm broken? If it's intact, is the chain attached? And sometimes this chain just breaks, but you can see this is one of those, it's an easy chain to replace. For temporary, you know, if you have to flush your toilet and something's broken in here, you can just reach in the water. Don't be scared to reach in the water. You can grab this chain, pull it up, and let it go just like that, and it'll flush.